Good morning, student. Let's start with HTML code. In this section, we will learn text formatting through HTML. HTML contains several elements for defining the text with special meaning. Let's start with text size. Text size is a property that defines the text size for HTML elements. Next one, that is alignment. So alignment can be your horizontal and vertical alignments you can give for your HTML elements, as well as we will see the different kinds of elements which can be applied to your text, such as bold, italic, underline, small, strong, as well as superscript, subscript. So let's start with our practically how we will apply this text formatting through HTML codings. Now for this I required my notepad file as well as browser. So over here, first of all, we have to create the structure for HTML. So let's create the structure for my HTML. Give the head and title as a text formatting. Whichever tag we will open, those tags we have to close in nesting order. Nesting order is nothing but the tag which you have closed first, it should be end at the end. That is called as a nesting order. And script supposed to be right within the body tag. These all are the padded tag, that's why we have to close at the end. Now over here we will create our codes. So first of all, I want to apply the different text effect. So first of all, we will mention certain text. For example, welcome to HTML scripting. First of all, I will save this page. Already I am having the folder, that is a web tech. Within this folder, we will mention the file name. For example, I will give the name as a HTML2, or we can give formatting.html. Without forgetting, you have to give this extension. Click on save button. This name is appearing on my title bar. Now we will have the preview through our browser. So this is formatting page, open it. So whichever things I have typed within my body tag, easily I can view over here. Now we will see about the different types of text formatting effects. First of all, we will see how to apply the bold effect. So write down the P tag. Now suppose I want this bold effect should be appear only for welcome. So after welcome statement, close the bold tag. Save the changes and refresh your browser. So you can see the difference over here. Same way we can give another effect, that is underline. So U tag is representing my underline. Close the tag. Let's assume I am not closing the tag. So what will happen? Save the changes and refresh your browser. So underline effect is applying for entire text. That's why we have to close the tags whichever we will open, so that compiler will come to know okay, this effect supposed to be applied for particular part of that text. As well as next effect is over here, that is underline. So I tag supposed to be there. Closing order is a nesting order. That's why before U tag I have to close my I tag. I is representing my italic effects. So you can see over here bold, italic and underline effects I can easily do with the help of text formatting. Now we will move towards the next part of it. So over here we will type certain more text. For example, now this is my text. Now we will apply over here some other effects such as strong, After that, close that tag. Save the changes every time you require to save the changes and refresh your browser. So you can see over here the strong effect is applying to my text. HTML contains the B tag. B defines the bold text without any extra option. Now, same way we can give some other effects for our HTML text, such as, now just see the difference between strong and bold. Bold is the effect which is the define the bold text without any extra options. That is, without any options it will provide, and strong element defines with strong importance the content inside. It's typically displayed in the bold. So this is the difference between both of them. Now we will see some other effect. For example, we will apply the small effect. Close the tag over here. Save the changes and refresh your browser. So you can see this text is in the small size. Now we will see some other effect. For example, for language we will give some other effect. Let's assume we will give over here EM. EM is nothing but emphasize effects. So let's see the difference of it. Close that tag, save the changes and refresh your browser. So you can see this is coming in the emphasize effect. Now few more sentences I will write it down and we will see some other effects for our text. So let's assume this is my one sentence. Now we will apply certain effects to this. Now already we saw the strong, small, bold, italic, underline as well as emphasize effect. Now we will move towards the next effect, that is my mark effect. How much you want to mark it, select that and close the mark tag. Now HTML mark element define the text that should be marked or highlighted. So let's see whether I am getting that effect or not. So you can see over here it get highlighted effect. So through mark tag we can get that highlight effect. And for example, whichever things you want to highlight. Example, suppose I have created one paragraph over here. So this is my sentence, that is my simple one paragraph. Let's close this paragraph, save the changes and refresh your browser. Now over here, suppose I want to highlight the milk option. So before this milk you have to use the mark tag and close your mark tag. Save the changes and refresh your browser. So you can see over here this is a effect which can be applied through mark tag, that is a highlight effect we can give through mark tag. Now we will move towards the next effect, that is a delete effect. Now for example, if I want to delete this forget, so before this forget we have to use delete. All the tags are my padded, that's why we have to close without forget. Save the changes, refresh your browser. So you can see over here it get cancelled or deleted from the document. So browser will usually strike a line through delete text. Let's see. Either you can use the delete option or you can use strike. For example, price $300. If I want to cancel this 300, so we can use either delete tag or you can use strike tag, and with the help of strike tag it gets cancelled. Let's save the changes and refresh your browser over here. So you can see this effect can get applied. See over here, different tags we can use to give the formatting part for our text. Now we will move towards the next text formatting, and that is I have to type certain things over here. Okay, now let's save this text and see the output. Okay, now I want this SD supposed to be superscript. So before SD we have to give the SUP, that is, it is representing superscript, and this is again my padded tag. Close that tag over here, save the changes and refresh your browser. So you can see this SD is coming on the little bit superscript. So this scripting can be applied to your HTML text. So this will appear half of the character may be below the normal line, or maybe it will come on the top of the text. For example, if I want that text supposed to be and half of the character supposed to be below my normal line, for example H2O, so this is representing my water. This is a formula, chemical formula. Now I want that first of all we will see the output of it. Save the changes. Now I want this 2 supposed to be little bit below my normal text. So what we have to do, we have to open the tag, and over here we will mention SUP. SUP is representing subscript. Close this tag over here, save the changes and refresh your browser. So you can see over here, means with the help of superscript, that elements will come on the top of the normal line, and if you want that character supposed to be below normal line, so you require SUP tag, which is representing subscript. So these are the different types of elements which can be given to the text formatting. Student, hope this section is clear to you. We will meet soon in new video section. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my videos, please share, subscribe as well as comment it. Thank you so much.